I'm going to try and scale a business from $0 to $1 million in 90 days.
That I'm actually broke. How to advertise. I approach my business like I approach my life. $1,000 in one day. We're doing good, man. We're getting sales every day. This shit is not stopping. It's so interesting to me. One thing I am noticing though is people are actually starting to believe that I'm actually broke and that if I fail this challenge, I'm toast, which is hilarious. Today, I am signing up for TikTok Marketplace. TikTok influencers are super underrated right now. They can create content that goes viral. That's how trends are created. I'm gonna start listing ads for the products and I'm gonna see how that works. Where's Florida? I'm bad at letters. Oh my goodness. This is what I mean, guys. Like, I'm not crazy smart. I just be clicking stuff. Stupid. From there, I'm gonna go and start advertising on TikTok. Hopefully one of these people can create something viral and I create a trend, hit my goal faster than I need to. And it seems like the best is influencers. So I want to do TikTok because it's gonna get me influencers, but I also wanna try podcast advertising because I've had some success with that in the past. When one thing doesn't work in business, you have to try multiple things because that's how you're gonna find the one thing that does work. It only takes one thing to work for you to make your money. So we're gonna do podcast advertising also. A lot of you guys ask stuff like, oh, how do I do this if I don't know how to do it? You go on this thing called Google and you literally search how to advertise podcasts. Some stuff popped up. I clicked the link, it took me here. And now I'm looking into advertising on podcasts. That's what we're doing, advertising on podcasts. So I know what y'all might be thinking, damn, Rene looks extra sexy today. What's going on? I was like, my hair is getting pretty long. This kind of sucks. Let me see if I can find an affordable salon to cut my hair, right? Because I'm still on $5 a day. I look it up and salons are all like $90 to $100 to get a haircut. I'm gonna approach this like I would approach anything else. Like I approach my business, like I approach my life. If I don't have the answer, I'm gonna fucking Google it. So I Googled how to cut my own hair. They taught me, I did a little tie, I got some scissors, I clipped it. And look how fucking good it turned out. I freaking cut my hair. It's not a little bit either. 3-4 inches. I cut 3-4 inches off my hair. The curls look good because they're not getting weighed down by all that hair. So you can do anything you set your mind to, guys. So I just got home. I actually just came from my friend Dave's house watching the Ben Askren versus Jake Paul fight. That shit sucked, I'm not gonna lie. But it's been good news. We just had a record day again with sales on the new business, on the new brand. And like I said, it's all coming together, finally. I found a formula, and now all I have to do is repeat it over and over, and we get results. I started this 50 days ago.
Spending thousands of dollars at the club, going to expensive dinners and spending whatever I want.
To prove a point that you could start a business with no money and that I could do it. Again, 50 days in, after all this struggle and shit, it's been 2 months only, less than 2 months. But it feels like such a big ordeal. It feels like such a long time ago, but we're 50 days in and the business just did a personal best for the day. It's incredible. I started this challenge, like I said, to prove a point that you can build a business from scratch with no money. It's exactly what I did. I think I've proven my point. So even if I fail this challenge, I've made my point that you can start a business and anyone can do it. $2,000 in one day. It's day 50, guys. This brand is only 50 days old. Today it's already at $120 and it's 1:54 a.m. So within the past 24 hours, we've done $2,100. Now real quick, think about that, guys. 50 days in, I started a business that is now doing $2,000 a day, that just did $2,000 in a day. If I continue at this pace until the end of the year, this business will end up doing $500,000. A business I started in 50 days from scratch with no money, just reaching out, just the power of the internet and social media. So even if I don't hit this $1 million in the 90 days, I'm gonna hit $1 million at some point. So everyone that's wanting to start a business, get out of this 9 to 5 and keeps thinking it's impossible without money, I just proved you wrong. I just did it in 50 days. $2,000 in a day with no help, no money, no doing anything. It's just experience and learning and practicing and doing things. That's it for tonight, guys. Like I said, it's 2 a.m. Shoot, tomorrow's gonna be another big day. You can't stop me, no one can stop me. It's day 51 and I'm so excited. It feels like I'm Rene again. Money to spend. I'm not doing any bullshit now. I literally cleared $2,000 yesterday. I could spend that all on marketing. You know what I can do with that? Now I can go fucking crazy. I can get this brand doing 10, 20, 30 grand a day. And we're gonna get it to where it was before. We're gonna do that $1 million. shit, this is good. It's a good life. I cannot complain right now. And I got a whole 39 days. Like, think about that. And like I said, I talked about it a little bit yesterday, but the point of this entire challenge was to prove a point, like, hey, you don't need money to start a business. And if I document it and show people that you don't need money to start a business, everyone will be like, cool, he's not lying, right? It's easy. It's one thing to say something, it's another thing to do it. So the fact that I've done it, it feels unreal. I started at zero 51 days ago, and now it's doing over $2,000 a day. Hard part's over. It's the first couple of grand that's hard. Now I got this money for marketing. Unless I do something completely stupid and like spend it at the club, this money is gonna turn into more money. It's almost impossible to lose money when you market it smart and correctly. So $2,000, I'm gonna try and turn that 2,000 into 10, that 10,000 into 50, that 50,000 into 100, that 100 into 1,000,000. And someone just messaged me, but can't complain.
Break rules, never make them. She act up, I replace her.